Hello there. I am Jessica Dean, the Director of Marketing at AIM Transportation Solutions. I'm here today with a very special guest, the Vice President of Fleet and Facilities at Hensley Beverage Company, Mr. Tony Keffer. Hensley is one of the largest family-owned and operated beverage distributors in the country. Their reputation for excellence precedes them here in the Southwest where they're headquartered. Hensley is one of AIM's first ProShop customers. ProShop is a lesser-known service offered by AIM. It's a unique partnership relationship where AIM comes in and assumes the responsibilities and operation of a business's on-site fleet maintenance shop. In turn, a business will receive all of the benefits from AIM's decades of fleet maintenance experience. Through AIM ProShop, we've had proven success in streamlining operations and cutting bottom lines. Our partnership with Hensley Beverage Company is a huge success story for AIM ProShop. We just celebrated 10 years of partnership with this incredible company, and we're honored to be here today with Mr. Tony Keffer from Hensley. Hi, Tony. How are you doing?
Hi, Jessica. Glad to be here.
Glad to have you. So would you mind taking a moment and just tell us a little bit about Hensley Beverage Company, their history, and what it is the company does?
Sure. You hit on it a little bit with our family-owned company. Our founder was Jim Hensley, and he started the company back in 1955. And matter of fact, we just celebrated our 65th year in the beverage business in Arizona. Hensley Beverage Company is a multi-generational family-owned local Arizona beverage wholesaler that distributes a diverse and first-rate portfolio of beverages, including Anheuser-Busch InBev beers, top-selling local and regional craft beers, premium non-alcohol beverages, water, soda, tea, wine, and spirits. You'd almost say we got everything covered. On March 15th, we expanded our territory. In March 15, 2016, Hensley Beverage Company finalized an acquisition of another wholesaler in the state, significantly increasing Hensley's distribution area and making Hensley one of the largest beverage distributors in the nation. Hensley and its employees, which are 1,100 strong, are also very involved in the community. And the Hensley Employee Foundation back in 2001 was created and was a way to give back and help the community in a positive way through charity, contributions, or special events.
That is quite remarkable. Hensley is certainly a company name you hear out here in Phoenix quite a bit, and I can definitely see why. So, Tony, could you tell us a little bit about what the operational situation was at Hensley prior to you partnering with AIM? So basically, what was the situation that made you consider an AIM ProShop?
Sure. As I said, we got over 1,500 pieces of equipment currently, and that grew as the company grew. And prior to AIM coming on board, Hensley had about 10 to 12 mechanics full-time that kept up on our increasing fleet, which included heavy trucks, cars, material handling equipment. We had a few mechanics that were ASE certified, but the majority were not and can only do the basics. And most major repairs were sent out, and that was very costly. As our fleet grew through acquiring new territory, it made sense to start looking at our maintenance division and what we could do to help cut costs and train our mechanics for more in-house repairs. We heard about AIM through our garage manager and introduced us to AIM's rep, Mike Williams. Mr. Williams, through his in-depth presentation and analysis, showed what AIM could offer and save us through AIM's national purchasing of parts and improved technical and mechanical experience with the new and current mechanics.
That's great. So what would you consider to be the greatest area of value within your AIM ProShop?
I'd say there's probably a couple. The first one, which is the big one, the cost savings, which is always on everybody's mind, is the big one through their national buying power, parts, tires, etc. And also reducing outsourcing through continued training of current employees. The changeover of our Hensley employees to AIM was somewhat painless. We reassured the current employees it would not change the day-to-day operations. However, the benefit to the employee of enhancing their mechanical abilities with further expert training by AIM, technical and mechanical team, and in the end, they would be receiving certifications through different training programs AIM offers and would be a plus for them. As always, the management team is easy to work with, AIM's management team, and transparent, and they're a good partner. Hensley has entrusted AIM managing and working with 20 plus employees and over 1,500 pieces of equipment, and knowing the job is getting done correctly safely by experts who do this type of work all the time.
Well, thank you for that positive review of us. Would you recommend AIM to other companies operating commercial fleets that are doing their own maintenance in-house?
Yes, it is well worth another company checking into AIM and seeing what benefits to your shop, big or small, they can provide through their efficiencies, their cost savings, and training of your maintenance team. AIM has the means and know-how on running a pro shop and do it professionally. In the end, Hensley knows how to sell our portfolio of brands, and AIM knows how to maintain our equipment. It's been a good partnership over the last 10 years, and looking forward to what the future holds for the Hensley and AIM team.
Well, Tony, thank you so much for this interview and that endorsement. We really appreciate it. And I realize how busy you are over there running the fleet and facilities at Hensley. So I'm not going to keep you. I'm beyond thrilled for this time you took. And I hope you have a great day.
Thank you, Jessica. You too.
Thank you, Tony. Bye-bye.